Hi everyone. In this video we are going to solve science practice paper number 11 key answer from question number 1 to 24. So now let us answer the MCQ questions first. The MCQ questions, the first one is a human sperm contains these many number of chromosomes. Many number of chromosomes 23 pairs, 23, 46 pairs and 46. The right answer for the first question is that is option A 23 pairs. Then coming to the second question, heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to current, square of the current, square of the resistance, square root of the current. So the right answer for second question is that is option B, square of the current. This is called as Joule's law. So for second question, the right answer is option B. Then coming to the third question, a convex mirror always forms inverted image, diminished and inverted image which are laterally inverted and diminished, laterally inverted and enlarged. So for third question, the right answer is convex mirror always formed diminished and inverted image. So the right answer for the third question is option B, diminished and inverted image, in the sense virtual image. So for third question, the right answer is option B. Then coming to the fourth question, that is cinnabar. Cinnabar can be converted into oxides by roasting, reduction, calcination and heating it with sulfur. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸಿನೆಬಾರ್. ಸೊ ಸಿನೆಬಾರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ HGS ಅಂದರೆ cinnabar is a sulfide ore of copper. Sulfide ore of mercury. So sulfide ore of mercury anta bandaga, so sulfide andre you have to go for roasting, because in roasting, so which roasting is done for sulfide ore. Therefore for fourth question, the right answer is option A, that is roasting. Then coming to fifth question. In the fifth question, one of these statement is true. Right auricle pumps oxygenated blood, right ventricle receives oxygenated blood, left ventricle receives deoxygenated blood, left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood. So the right answer for the fifth question is option D, that is left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood. So for fifth question, the right answer is option D. Next, coming to sixth question, the following produces OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Calcium hydroxide, it is acetic acid, and this is CH3CHO aldehyde, CH3OH, it is alcohol. So the following produce OH minus ions in aqueous solution, that is it is calcium hydroxide. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ H+ ಅಯಾನ್ನ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ CaOH ಟೇಕನ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, calcium hydroxide is the right answer. It gives out OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Now let us move for the seventh question. So seventh question is the important property of fuse wire in domestic electric circuit is it is malleable, it is ductile, it has low melting point and it is hard. The right answer for this question is for seventh one option C. So what is the option C? That is it has low melting point. It is the right answer. Then coming to the eighth question, the pH value of the following salt is greater than 7 in aqueous solution. Sodium chloride, ammonium sulfate, ammonium chloride, sodium carbonate. So for this question, the right answer is among these four, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ more than 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. more than 7 ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್. So option D, sodium carbonate. So sodium carbonate is the right answer. So the pH value of the following is greater than 7. So sodium carbonate is formed due to, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ basic salt ಇದು, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್. ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್ and hence its pH is greater than 7. So like this we have to answer for MCQs. So now let us move for 1 marks question. So 1 marks question ge barana. Define 1 ampere of current anta heliyane. So let us define it. If 1 coulomb of charge, if 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second, if 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second, then current is said to be 1 ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Now let us move for the 10th question. The 10th question is, what are hormones? Hormones andre eno? So hormones are the chemical substances. Hormones are the chemical substances. It is also called as chemical messenger that controls and regulate the growth and development of a body. Is called chemical substances. Is called hormone. Hormones are nothing but chemical substances. So now let us move for the 11th question. So the 11th question is, so question higide, how would you experimentally demonstrate that a current carrying conductor has a magnetic field around it? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂತಹ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಸುತ್ತ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಎ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಇದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ by placing a magnetic compass needle near a current carrying conductor. ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಾಸ್ ತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಾಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಸುತ್ತ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ 12th ಕ್ವಶನ್. Why is the word ambulance on emergency vehicle written like this? So ambulance ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ? So let us answer this question. So the right answer for this question is because objects appear horizontally inverted in a mirror. Object appear horizontally inverted in mirror ಜೊತೆಗೆ so that the driver can leave the space for ambulance in ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ದಾರಿ ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಕನ್ನಡಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. So this is the answer for the 12th question. Now let us move for the 13th question. So 13th question higide, that is what is an ecosystem. So ecosystem andre eno. So let us answer this question. So ecosystem is defined as the interaction between living and non-living, the interaction between living and non-living in the environment. The interaction between living and non-living in the environment is called as, that is, ecosystem. So this is there will be an interaction between. So next let us move for the 14th question, that is oxidation of glucose in our body cells is an example for exothermic reaction. Why anta kelidane. So 1 marks agirodrinda, so let us answer in a sentence. It is called exothermic reaction because energy is released. So this is the answer for 14th question. Now let us answer for 15th question, that is what is precipitation. What is a precipitate in a chemical reaction. So what is a precipitate in chemical reaction. So let us answer now. So precipitate in a chemical reaction means formation of insoluble scum as a product. Formation of insoluble scum as a product is called as precipitate, that is PPT. So now let us move for the 16th question. What is galvanization? Why it is done? So now let us move for galvanization. What is galvanization? The process of coating of zinc on iron. The process of coating of zinc on iron is called as galvanization. Why it is done? It is done to avoid rusting of iron. So this is the answer for that is 16th question. Now let us move for the third main, that is 2 marks question. So regarding 2 marks question, the first question is diagrammatically represent binary fission in amoeba. So we have to write, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. All the 5 steps should be written diagrammatically. Draw the circuit diagram which includes 2 cells in series, closed plug key, ammeter, voltmeter and a bulb in series. So this is a circuit diagram we have to write. So now let us write a circuit diagram. Enen barbeko, 2 cells in series, closed plug key, then ammeter, voltmeter and a bulb in series. So now let us write this one. So idanna bariyana ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಬಲ್ಬನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಸೀರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. ಸೊ 2 ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಕೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಕೀ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಕೀ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಮ್ಮೀಟ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಅಮ್ಮೀಟ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅವನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2 cells ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, 2 ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ that is when bulb, voltmeter and ammeter are connected in circuit. Next, coming to a 19th question, draw the electronic structure of ionic bond formed between sodium and chlorine, and in that one only internal choice question is there, that is write the reaction taking place at cathode and anode when electric current is passed through molten sodium chloride anta ide. So now let us answer both the question. Again draw the reaction taking place, draw the electronic structure of ionic bond formed between sodium and chlorine anta ide. So idikke ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So let us move for ಇದು ನಾವೀಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ 18th question. 17th is diagram of amoeba. So now let us move for the 19th question. So ಈ 19th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಮೆಟಲ್ ಲೂಸಸ್ electrons. So that is here sodium is a metal having atomic number 11. So electronic configuration 2,8,1. Sodium atom having electronic configuration 2,8,1. By losing one electron, sodium atom will become sodium ion. This is the first step. Then the second step is non-metal gains electrons. ಸೊ non-metal gains electrons ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, ಸೊ non-metal ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ 2,8,7. ಸೊ chlorine atom having configuration 2,8,7. So by gaining one electron it will become chloride ion 2,8,8. It will become chloride ion. Then the third step is formation of sodium chloride. So this is the third step. So Na, it has 1 electron, plus chlorine, it has 7 valence electrons. So by sodium transfer 1 electron to chlorine. So sodium will loses the electron and chlorine will gain the electron. By gaining 1 electron, sodium losing 1 electron and chlorine gaining 1 electron, it will become sodium chloride, which is a ionic compound. So like this electronic structure that you have to write. ಇವನು ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯನೋಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ molten sodium chloride ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, when electricity is passed through molten sodium chloride, passed through molten sodium chloride. So Na, that is sodium, Na is collected at cathode and chlorine and chlorine gas is collected at anode and hydrogen gas and hydrogen gas at cathode. So now let us write the equation. 2NaCl plus 2H2O. When electricity is passed through it, it forms 2Na at cathode plus Cl2 at anode plus H2 at cathode. So idunne now we call it as a brine solution. So idu how we are getting sodium, which is a high reactive metal. So high reactive metal padibekadre chlorine and hydrogen are the two gases that are collected at anode and cathode. Cl anode, H2 cathode. So this is how we have to answer for this question. Now let us move for 20th question. Draw the diagram of the operator used in the electrolytic refining of copper. Label any two parts anta ide. So idu 20th. Then coming to 21st, there is a notice put up in a scanning center. Sex determination of the fetus is illegal and punishable. Why should such a notice be put up? What are its implications? So now let us answer. Idru jotege ille innondu question ide. Are traits inherited independently? Justify anta ide. Let us answer both the questions. So now let us answer that question. Because it is punishable and it is offense also, because some parents are not interested in girl child to born, so they will determine in fetus and they will kill in womb itself. They will kill in womb itself. So this is an offense. Idu punishable idu. So it is an illegal and it is punishable. Okay. Hagadre idanna next nodana. So to increase the natural growth of the to increase the natural growth of to increase the natural growth to increase the natural growth of baby, this is considered as to increase the natural growth of the baby, this is considered as illegal. So what is its implications anta kelidane. So idra implication ಏನಾಗಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the girl population will decrease. The girl population will decrease and there will be variation in sex ratio. So this is what we have to write for this 21st. In that one only one more internal choice question is there, that is, are traits inherited independently? Justify. Now let us answer this question. So let us answer this question. Genes located on different chromosomes will be inherited independently will inherited independently on each other when peace with more than one trait were crossed, the progeny did not always match the parent. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಜೋನಿಗಳು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Now let us move for 22nd question. So here in 22nd question, observe the following figure and answer the given question. So this is the figure they have given. In this figure, Mn is normal, CO is incident ray from the coin. Now question is, between OA and OB, which one indicate the correct refracted ray? Give reason for your answer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಎ ರೇ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಬಿ ರೇ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ರೇನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಓ ಬಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಲೈಟು ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಸೊ ಲೈಟ್ ರೇ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ರೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬೆಂಡ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ರೇ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಓ ಬಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 22nd ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಓ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ. So what is the reason OB is a refracted ray? Because, so the right answer for this one is because refracted ray always bend when the light travels from one medium to another medium. So this is the answer for 22nd question. So now let us move for the 23rd question. So 23rd ಏನಿದೆ, draw the diagram of the operator used in obtaining hydrogen gas from red hot iron and steam. Label any two parts ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಜರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಲನ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು write it as a diagram. So in the next video we are going to answer for 25th question. Let us answer in the next video. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who have already subscribed, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Please encourage my videos. Thank you very much.